Class 7 Maths Fractions. Let us discuss a tricky problem. Question number 1. Simplify the following. Simplifying expression is not about knowing more rules. It's about knowing when to use the right rule. You already know how to multiply, add, subtract, and divide. The real key is understanding how these operations work together. And once you understand that, simplifying expressions becomes easier. Now, let's put this idea into practice and simplify an expression together. First, let us convert the mixed fraction into improper fractions. 4 2s are 8 plus 3, which will be 11, and since the denominator is 4, it will be 11 by 4. Then 1 into 6 is 6, 6 plus 5 is 11. Therefore, the fraction will be 11 by 6. On simplifying, we get 3 by 2. Now let's evaluate the bracket. According to the BODMAS rule, we begin by simplifying the numbers inside the bracket. The fraction inside the bracket are connected by a plus sign, so we cannot cancel them. Therefore, we need to take the LCM of the denominators and add the fractions. Therefore, LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. Fraction is equal to 7 by 12. Now that we have simplified the brackets, the next operation is off. Remember, off comes under orders in BODMAS. So, let's simplify it next. Evaluating off. 3 by 4 off 3 by 7 can be written as 3 by 4 into 3 by 7. Therefore, we can get the value as 9 by 28. Now, let us substitute all the simplified values back into the expression and continue solving it. Next operation is division. To divide by a fraction, we multiply it by its reciprocal. 3 by 2 into 8 by 7 into 7 by 12 plus 5 by 7 into 28 by 9. Here, let us first identify the two terms. This is one term, that is 3 by 2 into 8 by 7 into 7 by 12 is one term, and the other term is 5 by 7 into 28 by 9. Remember, we can cancel factors within a term, but we cannot cancel numbers across a plus or a minus sign. So, we should simplify these two terms separately. So, let us simplify these terms separately. 3 by 2 into 8 by 7 into 7 by 12 can be simplified as 7 and 7 can be cancelled. Then 3 4s are 12. So, instead of 12, we'll write 4 and we'll cancel 3. Then 4 2s are 8. And 2 and 2 we can also cancel. Therefore, we get 1. Next, let us simplify 5 by 7 into 28 by 9. So, we can cancel 7 and 28 and write 28 there as 4. Therefore, we will get 20 by 9. Therefore, after simplifying both the terms separately, we will get 1 plus 20 by 9. Now, we have to take the LCM and simplify. So, if we take the LCM, we will get 29 by 9. Converting improper fraction into mixed, we get 3 2 by 9. Remember, follow BODMAS every time. Watch negative signs carefully. Cancel factors, not the terms. Distribute multiplication to every term inside the bracket. Double check each step before moving to the next. That's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on post notifications so that you guys never miss out on a video that I upload. And I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.